just because I think this is really cool. They did ask what the top 3 is. So
top 3 what?
Top 3 leathers?
Individually, if you guys had to pick top 3 leathers.
Man.
Oh, dang, man.
So number 1's always going to be Shell Cordovan.
It's my number 1 as well.
Yeah. You can't...
Reversed Shell
What
Cordovan.
do you think, boys? Of course.
Yeah.
Oh, mister. Okay. All right. I see what you got going on there.
I'm living in luxury over here with a natural shell wallet.
So our port wallets were cut from the same shell. He's proper side out.
Yeah.
I'm reversed. This is a natural shell. Same shell. One's reversed, one's natural. Or, wait, one's proper. One's reversed. As they age, they look more and more similar. Anyways, number 1's always going to be shell. Mike, what's your number 2? Since shell is obviously number 1.
My number 2 is definitely and easily the Latigo, or the natural Latigo.
The new
sorry.
Latigo and our current natural. It's the new Latigo line. For those who want to know, it's a Wickett and Craig out of Pennsylvania. We use their natural, their buck brown, their black, and it's our favorite USA made leather for sure.
The hand feel, the sturdiness of the leather itself.
It doesn't patina over a month like a lot of natural leathers do. You got to earn it. Like it takes time.
It's a 6 month plus.
Yeah, you got to work for the patina on that. I don't know why, but it resists.
I'm going to have some weird answers.
Okay, well, let me finish mine.
Yeah.
My other one would be the black cherry.
You're going to give them the doozy,
I'm going
man.
to show them what you can't have right now, but this has been my back pocket carry. I don't even know if it's shown on here very well, but...
It does, actually.
It
shows quite well, yeah.
Ooh.
It's hot.
Hard to beat the old the black cherry.
I love the ghost leathers too, and it's too hard to pick a favorite out of that because I really liked the original white whiskey that we did.
Yeah, the ghost whiskey.
The ghost whiskey that we did. Red and black are both been 2 of my favorite colors forever too, and so the cherry was amazing as well.
It just feels so good.
It's so nice, dude.
Dude, feel that freaking good.
You're next.
What's my third?
Did
you say all 3?
Well, I kind of matched with him on the new Latigo.
You got anything else?
Which all of these blackout wallets are new.
Because you said Shell Cordovan, new Latigo, what else?
Oh man, my third one.
What's the last one, man?
My third one's gonna be the curveball. It really is the crosshatch.
Oh
wow!
Okay.
Wow.
This leather I fell in love with just from photos. The people there at the tannery when dealing with them, they are so sweet and so kind and had so many great things to say about the brand. They really were happy to even get this leather to us. I love that they were excited for us to even create things out of it. From that experience all the way to receiving the leather and using it, I have not been this excited about a leather in a long time. Probably since the initial run of the ghost leathers, honestly. But I love this leather. It's very thin, which makes a great minimal wallet. But the coloration, man, I'm a fan of the hand dye, and it's kind of like a throwback to when we first started because all of my wallets when we first started, if you go back on our Instagram pages, they were all hand dyed, and I loved.
Don't go too far back.
Don't go too far back.
The photography is terrible, but no, I love the homage of hand dyed. But you know what I really loved was the ingenuity of the crosshatch.
Yep.
In the dye, the technique. Because even when we were doing our cloud design, I had a lot of other makers asking me, like, how did you achieve that?
We did crosshatch and cloud to...
you did some more some more striping when you first came on.
We did some striping.
We did some striping, but the crosshatch is
genius.
Yeah.
What's your third?
So
second?
I actually the veg tan wouldn't have been my second. So the natural Shell Cordovan is one of my favorites. That's what I'm carrying right now. And then I'm actually going to say a weird one, which I used to actually hate this leather, but
it's Chrome XL.
It's Chrome XL Natural. And Chrome XL Natural because first of all of how it smells, second of all of how it patinas. I think it patinas really nicely. It's a soft leather. Now, if I was a leather craftsman right now, if I was making stuff all day, I would hate natural Chrome XL because I don't like to work with it.
It's hard to work with.
It's like making a wallet out of cheese.
Yeah, it's just buttery, smooth.
But I just made a passport wallet for travels I'm going to do soon, and I made it out of natural Chrome XL. And then my third would My third, it's really difficult. I would probably say.
Dig deep.
Yeah.
Is there any love for Scotch?
Cromex au
'Cause
natural.
Scotch would be my
Scotch
next.
is in mine.
So
Is it? Okay.
We'll do Tyler's last.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, Scotch is a tough one, but I'm actually gonna say another weird one, which is our brown boot leather that we use for our Falkland bags, as well as our EDC trays. I think it's one of the smoothest, most consistent,
It's a really nice
good
leather.
feeling leathers that I've ever felt in my life, and so I really love that leather. But like realistically, like there's a special place in my heart for not only the new Latigo veg tan that we use, but russet for our mountain belts, dark brown for our mountain belts. I mean, it's really hard to pick a top.
If we're getting a belt,
so tough.
The king is easy, right?
Yeah.
I think we can all agree.
The mountain belt,
there's
number one.
Mountain belt is number one leather ever.
All
I mean,
time.
it's the best leather I've ever felt in my life.
I will say though, I'm extremely, and I've been carrying one of these for a long time before we even announced it. I'm extremely happy with 3 years of using the blackout belt.
Oh yeah.
Personally,
Okay.
Yeah.
I love the mountain belt.
You running the Latigo, that black Latigo?
I've been wearing that
Yeah.
black Latigo blackout belt without the blackout hardware, but the same leather we use for the blackout belt for 3 years, and I'm telling you, I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite leathers out there for a belt.
Our blackout belt
It's funny that
is
you guys Cromex au natural.
we're stoked.
What was that?
It's funny that you guessed Cromex au natural
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
All right, Tyler, you're gonna round it off with yours, and then
Let's hear ties.
top 3 leather.
we'll get
Show.
to some more giveaways soon.
Real fast.
Yep.
The top one is Shell Cordovan.
Shell.
There you
It's
go.
pretty easy. It's technically the black variant.
There you go.
The reverse black with the green avocado
yeah.
splotches.
Reverse black.
All of mine are green.
Tyler's a green boy.
That's all right.
Loves the green.
The second one for me is a Scotch line. It was the original Scotch Pine.
The
that we
Scotch Pine.
Scotch Pine is
We need to
just
get more of
Ooh.
it. Yeah.
Ooh.
It was a good
So
green.
good.
did. The patina on that wallet, I
He-
saw the port of it, and it is so solid.
He had such a beautiful velvety
Incredible.
/ smooth texture.
Where is your broken in Scotch Pine?
It's at home.
Somewhere where you
Yeah.
can't have it.
You're hiding it from me.
I'm
you
currently
bastard.
using the crosshatch. I'll probably switch back to the pine.
Okay.
And then the third one is actually the crosshatch. I also
Oh.
love the hand dyed
Okay.
way they do the crosshatch.
So Tyler's top 3 are Shell Reverse Black, which is green, Scotch Pine, which is green, and his third was the Crosshatching green. So those are
good choices.
really all
The
solid.
reverse
When
black.
we-
Reverse black is just if you're looking for a greenish wallet. I mean, that's the best green you could possibly ask for.
When we first received the crosshatch in mail, too, we were looking at photos and we were very excited about it. And then once it came in, we unrolled those hides from the box, which is always a glorious moment, right?
Oh yeah,
You
we
undo
all, everyone stopped what they're doing.
Yeah.
And come to like open the new leather, and we smelled
and
it.
we rolled it out, and Tyler looked at me, and he was just like,
You knew.
"Ooh,
We knew.
ooh, that's a doozy."
The feel is actually the thing that really got me on the crosshatch. It's so like smooth.
It's
Yeah.
Even right out of the gate.
We still have a few of those available, right, Ty?
Oh, we still have a bunch available. For sure.
Yeah, you guys got to get Crosshatch while you can.
Yeah.
Watching our live stream highlights. You can join us next time if you hit subscribe and get notified. You can also follow our Instagram or join our Facebook group, The Craft and Lore Lounge. Thanks, guys. We'll see you out there.